Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing wonderful. Happy gardening, everyone. All right, guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of my plants. We're still in the winter. No, today is the 4th of spring. But let me show you how I take care of my plants. All right. So now you see, you cannot go too close to the plant. You know, I'm using my machete, and if you notice what I'm doing, I'm actually breaking up the soil around the plant. Okay? Because you want the plant to able to spread their roots. So you take the machete, you go wide. But the point is, it's not going to be a problem even I go close, because what happens is the root is deep down. So even I dig around it, it's not gonna damage the root. And this is why you got to know what you're doing when you're gardening. I believe in softening the soil around the plant. I do believe that. I think it's very important. So you just come around it. You go at least 6 inches away from the plant, and you wake up the soil around it. So when you wake up the soil, it's gonna give it the root gonna able to spread. But if the soil is too hard, then the plant is not gonna go anywhere. Right here we have, this is broccoli, and it's freezing, but the plants them is thriving pretty well. And broccoli, cabbage, collard greens, they are cold hardy plants. So this kind of weather, they love it. I do not like to plant broccoli in the summer or late spring. Either cabbage, a lot of edibles, I will not plant late spring. I will rather plant them in the winter or early spring. All right, so as you can see, I'm waking the soil up for these plants. So in a few weeks, I'll come back in 3 days and I'll wake up these plants again. Look at the soil. You see how the soil kind of clammy? So when you wake it up like this, it helps the roots to spread even more. All right. So this is how we do it, guys. At Planter Garden TV, we show you exactly how we take care of our plants. So this is what I'm doing. I'm waking the soil up so the young roots will be able to spread their roots. This is a very important process in gardening. This is something you cannot ignore. So over here we come again and we soften. I do this every 3 days. Because you see, the thing is, you got to walk the soil. If you keep walking the soil gonna get loose and looser the more you walk it. So we have cabbage, we have collard greens. I usually mix my plants because I always look at results. So I plant them together. Cabbage, cauliflower, kale, all of them. This is all you do. You're just waking up the soil around them. Very important process. So you actually giving the plant room to spread. Alright guys, let me do these few more. And I'm gonna end it here because by now you should see exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So alright guys, this is my kale, cabbage, broccoli, and this is how I take care of them. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.